Okay, this is going to be the updated video for the auto scroll extension that I made. I've finally put all of the ones I've been working on, all four of them, in just this singular repository. This is where I update the code and everything. And you can come and download it to get the repository if you want. But I have a separate site that I started that this is literally where I put everything that I'm doing, the new things, especially like the most recent uh the most recent announcement was now that I can accept donations just to keep things free because shit can be annoying. Anyways, yeah, there's a link here, you can go to it, and when you do click on it, this is where it'll take you. Okay, yeah, it'll take you right here to the extensions hub. There's a dark mode, and right now I only have the three, and I'm not working on any others at the moment until I'm done. And you just have to click on their card and you can see everything. And if you can uh, install here, it'll take you directly to the Chrome page, or you can go to and use the link that's in the repository over here. Okay. Okay, and auto scroll is open. It's live on the store, so you can go here. If you just look up auto scroll, it'll take forever to find it because it's not gonna, like, it's constantly being pushed down. So I recommend just going and grabbing it from one of the links. But all you have to do is add it, and I've already got it over here because this is the one that I'm developing, but it's has all the same exact features. But anytime I'm fixing it, or what's called, I like to use Wikipedia as an example. I usually just press English, and there's all of these articles. Sometimes I try and find the longest ones possible, like this one, and then you can just go up here, it'll open up and you see the pop-up. There's a bunch of other functions. So if the web page has, like, if it's scrolled in or out, whichever one activates this scroll sideways bar at the bottom of the screen, these two, the left and right button, will control that. And I personally have the speed at 1 right now, but you just click on the button and the direction you're going in, and the button that is activated will be colored in with all the colors. And whenever it's playing, you can pause or just stop it entirely. And there's a status bar at the very top of the icon in the extensions thing if you've pinned it. But I usually just go to a page, you click down, and it just starts scrolling. And you can adjust the speed. I'll go up to 3, and then you just press it again, and it speeds up. And it goes pretty fast. But you can pause it or just stop it completely. And there's a settings thing, so you can either loop at the very end of a page, so activate that, close it, and then all you have to do is I was trying to max so it goes as fast as it can. You press it down, and once it hits the bottom, it jumps right back to the top and will continue scrolling. And at whatever speed it's set at, it really doesn't matter. You can pause it and stop it, bring that back down to 1, and you can turn it on or off. I'm still working on the slow-mo mode. It doesn't work as well as I thought it would, but that is not there yet because this is the one that I'm working on, completely separate until I post it. But there's also this jump scroll mode, so when you activate it, it'll show you the delay, so it makes it a little easier to read. So when you go down, and it just jumps down in increments, and you can alter the delay in this little status bar down here, and it live updates just like the um, normal slide feature. And there's the advanced ones. It'll hard reset, and then you can enable it or disable it entirely. And there's a privacy policy. It doesn't do anything. It's just for the whatever page you're on. Like there's no way it can get into your computer, your files, your browser. None of that unless you put it there. And then you can choose done. It'll take you all the way out. But super easy to use. I'm trying to figure out how to pair it better with the reading ruler extension, but that's later on for the future. Okay, this is literally just a really short clip or disclaimer I'm gonna put somewhere in most of the videos that I do, regardless of what they are. But um, uh, I'm not used to speaking into a microphone or hearing my voice. I don't like hearing my voice at all because it's too deep and too masculine, and I am a trans woman. So most times I usually just use some type of text to speech. What's called it, and I'm the one who says everything and writes everything. So it's just so I don't have to use my voice because it literally drives me insane